Want to get a SQL data analyst job at Alibaba? Well, I'm about to go over a question that is asked at an interview. Let's solve this one together. Okay, compressed mean Alibaba SQL interview question on DataLemur. You're trying to find the mean number of items per order in Alibaba rounded to one decimal place. So we're just going to put a note here. Find mean, and then also rounded to one decimal place. Okay. Item count table on there. So we have that. And we also have order occurrences. So item count 1, order occurrences 500, 2, 1,000, 3, 800, 4, 1,000. So there are a total of 500 orders with one item per order. 1,000 per two. So we need to multiply this out and then divide by the sum of this. That's my initial thoughts on that side of things. So you can see 1 times 500, 2 times 1,000. Okay. 3 times 800, 4 times 1,000, 8,900. And then total orders, you just had that there, 15, 23, 33, and then you divide that. Okay. So let's think about how we're going to do those. So the first one, we could just multiply item count and multiply that by order occurrences across the table and then sum that up, and we're going to get that. And the other side of things, we could just do a total sum of this order occurrences. And I should just put that over here. So let's start building out this query, and I'm just going to comment these out for now. And also right over here. Okay. So what we're going to do is select, and we need to first get that 8,900. So we can select this right over here. We'll just put this in a new line and just make sure this is working before we do our calculations, right? And then let's have also this on here, and let's grab our from and put items per order. That's the table name. And let's just check, make sure these numbers line up. So sum of this first one is 19190 and then 4960. So assume that would be correct. I know we're going to have different data than what's over here, but regardless, let's throw this in over here. We're going to take that, throw that on this side of things. Our example output needs to be as mean. So, have that over here as mean, all lowercase. And then let's throw our rounding in here. So it says it wants to have it rounded with one decimal place. So what I like to do is round. Let's do 1.0 times, and then we'll put comma 1, close that out, and let's run this code and make sure it works properly. So 3.9, and hopefully this works. Let's click submit, and it's been accepted. So pretty straightforward question on here. Take the sum. We multiply those two different columns together. You get the full sum on that side of things. We divide by those orders, and then we just rounded it by 1. I always just do 1.0 times it and just label this as mean. And like I said, super straightforward. Hope you're able to solve that SQL question with me. If you are, make sure to subscribe, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm. By the way, you should watch my video right over here where I solve a question from TikTok.